Here's a video on how to return a rental car with a key lockbox. First thing you do is make sure the car is still powered on, so you can roll down the window. Next, you take the lockbox, you put it down, you put it on top of the window, and you roll it up. Okay. Make sure it's up, and now you power off the car. Close the door. Make sure all the windows are closed. Then you press the lock button on the remote. Then you place the key inside the lockbox. Make sure it's flat. Okay. Make sure it's not blocking the closing of this lockbox. Then you press the black button on the bottom always, and you enter the pin. Pull the lever down and make sure it can go up. Now you know it's locked. And then you close this. And then you take pictures and you're done. That's it.